Hello guys, my name is Mohammad AZLAN Khan. My first blog is my garden.
ये कौन सा ट्री है अज़लान?
This is my lemon tree.
ओके, ये क्या है?
This is the cactus.
नो, दिस इज नॉट अ कैक्टस. रोज ट्री.
It's a rose tree. This is my grapefruit.
व्हाट इज दिस?
This is my grapefruit tree.
व्हिच प्लांट इज
This
दिस?
is my papaya trees. This is my lemon tree है ना ये भी?
ऑरेंज.
This is my orange tree. This is my lemon tree.
यस.
This is my papaya tree. My red guava tree. This is my flower tree. Lemon grass tree.
प्लांट.
Lemon grass plant.
व्हाट इज दिस?
This is onion tree.
नो.
This is a
बीट प्लांट.
huh?
तस्वीर.
Beet plant. Beautiful plant. Garden. No, to vegetable area.
चलो. What is here, Azlan? What is here?
Vegetable area.
What is this?
This red chili
Where is red chili?
here.
Wow, wonderful. And what is this?
This lemongrass.
Oh, wow. What is this?
This orange.
It's juicy.
Yes.
What is this?
This is a brinjal.
Where is brinjal?
Here. Here.
What is this?
This is my peach plant. This is my peach tree. Red tea.
And what is this?
This is my flower. This is my flowers.
Oh, it's a brinjal plant.
It's a brinjal plant.
What is this?
This is papaya plant.
Where is papaya?
Here. Here. Here is papaya.
Azlan, tell me, who maintains this garden?
My neighbor.
Who will maintain this garden?
My gardener.
What is his name?
Trees. Tata.
Okay. You also maintain this lawn? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.